Actually, the first time I came to this workshop, we met Indika and Pradeepa. So throughout, they have been always with us and helping us out with everything. It was like a God's gift that we managed to come here and meet them. From the very beginning till the very last, they do keep their word. They are one of the best professionals that you can rely on.
Where dreams meet direction and vision meets opportunity.
Ladies and gentlemen, LeadPro New Zealand founder and CEO, Mr. Indika Rathnayaka.
Confidently හැමදේටම උත්තර හම්බුණා. රෑ 10 මාට කෝල් කරලා අහලා තියෙනවා. ඒ වෙලාවට කෝල් එක ආන්සර් කරලා මට උත්තර හම්බුලා තියෙනවා.
ඒ ටීම් එක මාර විදියට මට සපෝට් කරා. Documents to everything.
ඇත්තටම ලොකු දෙයක් දැනගත්තා දාවෙන් ගොඩක් අප්ඩේට් වුණා. LeadPro ගැන ලොකු විශ්වාසයක් තියෙනවා. මොකද මගේ යාළුවෝ දෙතුන් දෙනෙක්ම ගිහිල්ලා ඉන්නවා LeadPro හරහා. ඒගොල්ලෝ මට රෙකමන්ඩ් කළා.
The knowledge that they have, it's amazing, and I think they would be really helpful. So it was a really good workshop. Almost all the questions that we had about it was answered. And yeah, definitely it was worthwhile coming here.